Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some data analysis using R programming language. R is a very popular programming language doing data analysis, data science. So today we are going to learn how to do data analysis in R by looking at some real-time data sets. So the data set we are going to look at today is the unemployment data from the Department of Agriculture Economical Research Service. So I've already downloaded this file. So today we are going to do some exploratory data analysis. First, we are going to look how we are going to import this data set in R. So basically, this is a data set. So notice this is Excel. I have downloaded it's Excel. It has a bunch of lines here that seems to be really formatted, and it has a bunch of columns here. You see it has employed, unemployed data from 2007 to until 2018. Okay, so let's look at how we can import this into R. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is basically open a new R script, and I'm going to save it as unemployment. Okay, so the library we're going to use to read the CSV file, read the Excel file, is called readxl package. We're going to use this package. So it has a function called readxls to directly read the Excel file, which makes it very convenient. So the only thing we need to pass into here is basically the path to the file. So let's say we have it users. For us is the users data analysts data unemployment .xls, and then we can assign this result to a variable called unemployment. Okay, let's try to run it to see if it works. In Windows, there's a shortcut to run this line. In Windows, you can just hit Control Enter, and it would run this command here. Okay, cool. It seems like it's doing something. It's reading. Let's see how it looks like. Head unemployment. All right. Well, so this is how it looks like. It doesn't seem like it's doing the right thing. It has some columns. It got a lot of lines. So remember that when we're looking at the file, actually we see a bunch of these malformed lines. So that's probably the reason why we see a lot of lines here. So the solution to this is that we can pass a skip parameter to readxls function to tell it how many lines we want to skip before we actually reading the data as a data frame. So here, if you remember, so we have 7 lines that are actually some headers that are not tabular format. So we're going to pass 7 to the skip. Okay, let's try this again. Control Enter in Windows or Command Enter in Mac. Now let's look at head unemployment. Cool. This looks much better. We have we got the column names like so you see the tilde here is basically how RStudio is trying to abbreviate if the string is too long that it cannot display. Okay, cool. So this is a short video today. We learned how to import Excel file into R.